So you're a vanilla fan and you already have tried out Vanille from Outremer and you want something a little more. One of my favorites is Jeroboam's Insulo. It's sweet, it has that caramelized nuttiness, and it lasts forever because it's also an extrait, which is just a higher concentration of perfume. This is a lovely step up, I would say, from the Outremer.
It's a little more complex. It is a fine fragrance, so
jasmine, I think there's a little jasmine, little musk.
Little musk, all the Jeroboams dry down into sort of musk. They definitely have some legs. It's like a stickier fragrance. It stays on.
It's gonna transition a little bit differently during the day.
If you like a spicier scent, maybe in cooler weather, or you just like it, I've sold this to all genders, all people. It's one of my signature fragrances in the fall and winter. It's MFK, Maison Kurkdjian brand Soir. This is an amber fragrance, but it is heavy on the vanilla. It is heavy on warm spice component. It's a little more tobacco-y. It's not really a note in here, but
it's in there. It's a little faux note.
It's like a pipe tobacco with a lot of vanilla. It's really good.
Yeah, one of the best.
Really good. It's really long wearing and great if you're like, yeah, I like vanilla, but it's gotta have something.
Something else.
Gotta have a little something else.
Definitely that one is going towards not beast mode, but the longevity is incredible. So maybe a little bit too heavy for summer, where Vanilla Vibes is a perfect summer alternative, and it's marine-y. There's that kind of like, it's a salty vanilla. So
Juliette has a gun. This fragrance house, it's also French. A lot of their fragrances are very ambroxan heavy. So
musk,
like a skin musk, light musk.
Yeah, light musk. It's gonna be on you at the end of the day, but it's gonna feel more like a skin scent.
Like this is a bomb vanilla, like tobacco-y, ambery, like spicy, resinous, lots of benzoine, lots of labdanum. This is
aromatic,
sea salty, going towards the sunscreen.
But
like not.
It's summer.
Yeah, it's
for
summer.
This is the one.
You ready for the beach?
Yeah, every day.
We're tanning.